Welcome to Tech News 2026, where we bring you the latest in the world of computer hardware. This year is shaping up to be a revolutionary one for PC enthusiasts and professionals alike. From the abundance of cutting-edge PC hardware to the significant trends driving innovation, there's plenty to be excited about. Stay tuned as we dive deep into powerful hardware trends, explore the top desktops and PC components showcased at CES 2026, and highlight the best in show innovations. Don't miss insights from Ace Computers and updates from Wccftech and Tom's Hardware on graphics cards and processors that are set to redefine performance. In 2026, the computer hardware industry is witnessing significant changes as AI continues to revolutionize technology. This shift has resulted in a notable shortage of essential components like RAM and SSDs. The prices of computer hardware components have surged dramatically, with increases from 20% to 60% by January 2026, primarily driven by the emphasis on AI capabilities. A key component affected by these trends is NAND flash memory, which plays a crucial role in AI development by offering high-capacity and energy-efficient storage to manage complex datasets. Major companies like Samsung and Micron are adjusting their strategies in response to these shortages, focusing on high-demand AI products and modifying their supply strategies to maximize profits. With the rising hardware prices, consumers face difficult decisions about upgrading their systems, weighing performance needs against the high costs of new components. Despite the challenges, understanding the evolving landscape of computer hardware is crucial for navigating future trends and making informed purchasing decisions in this volatile market. At the Consumer Electronics Show 2026, the world witnessed groundbreaking innovations in the realm of desktop technology and PC components. This year, manufacturers have unveiled desktops that are pushing the boundaries of performance and design, setting a new standard for computational power. Among the highlights, the latest processors boasting unprecedented speed and energy efficiency were a significant draw for tech enthusiasts. New advancements in graphic cards have taken gaming visuals to another level, promising immersive experiences like never before. DDR5 memory modules, showcased at CES, are heralded as a major leap forward in computing, offering higher bandwidth and capacity. As CES 2026 concludes, it's clear that the industry's relentless innovation continues to fuel the evolution of personal computing. In Las Vegas, the Consumer Electronics Show of 2026 was marked by a noteworthy absence of new GPU releases, attributing to the increased demands from AI technologies burdening RAM and storage industries. AI-driven needs dominated the scene, with industry giants like NVIDIA and AMD emphasizing AI in their keynotes, which led to higher prices for laptops and PCs despite the introduction of new models. Intel's Panther Lake made a significant impact by blending efficiency, performance, and AI capabilities into a single package, a key feature for the 2018 A process completion. AMD introduced the Ryzen AI 400 Gorgon Point chips, signifying a refresh to the existing Strix Point lineup, without substantial breakthroughs. Despite a lack of new GPUs, companies such as Lenovo and Asus delivered exciting innovations through concepts like expandable gaming systems and hologram-generating fans. ASRock entered the advanced cooling arena with a dual pump system featuring a holographic display, offering a unique visual over motherboards. The landscape of computing hardware is set for groundbreaking advancements as we move further into 2026. From processors to memory, companies continue to compete in a race defined by innovation and scaling technology to new heights. AMD is at the forefront with launches like the Ryzen 7 9700X 3D and the introduction of the AM6 socket, aiming to push boundaries in computational power and efficiency. Intel's developments, including updates to the Arrow Lake series and the introduction of new architectures like Bartlett Lake for gaming, reflect its dedication to maintaining a competitive edge. NVIDIA continues to innovate with updates to the RTX 5080 Super Series and the exploration into ARM CPU solutions for both desktop and mobile environments. Significant progression in memory technology is evident with the advent of LPD, DR6 and HBM4E memories, promising increased data speeds and reduced latency for high-performance computing. Leading semiconductor manufacturers like TSMC and Samsung push the boundaries of fabrication with their move to two 1.6 and 1.4 nanometer processes, reshaping the tech landscape. In 2026, the landscape of PC hardware is brimming with innovations and technological advances that promise to excite enthusiasts and professionals alike. Despite challenges such as ongoing memory shortages, the industry continues to push forward with promising new developments. TMR, or tunnel magnetoresistance, is one technology gaining traction in gaming peripherals. Known for providing a consistent response and lower power consumption, TMR is slowly being integrated into more gaming keyboards following its successful use in controllers like the 8-bit Do Ultimate 2 Wireless. Despite some manufacturers like Monsgeek offering TMR-equipped keyboards, traditional Hall effect switches remain prevalent. However, as more companies adopt TMR technology, the market is expected to see a shift in preferences, reflecting the ongoing trends in peripheral design. Major brands like Cherry, Wooting, and Razer have differing approaches to switch technology. While Cherry explores induction switches amidst financial difficulties, Razer continues to focus on optical switches. Meanwhile, Wooting remains dedicated to long-term support for their existing technologies. These innovations, alongside other upcoming developments in PC hardware, highlight an industry resilient in the face of production challenges. Enthusiasts and industry professionals are eagerly watching how these advancements will redefine the future of gaming PCs and peripherals. As PC hardware enters this new era, the community anticipates groundbreaking improvements and quality-of-life enhancements. With every innovation, the industry steps closer to redefining what is possible within the realm of gaming technology. In recent developments within the hardware industry, the AMD Ryzen 7 985 0x3D CPU, boasting a remarkable 5.6 GHz speed with its 3D V-Cache technology, has been recognized as the leading gaming CPU. However, it is noted for generating more heat and consuming slightly more power than its predecessor, the 980 0x3D. Intel's chipset specifications for the 900 series, including models such as Z990 and B960, have surfaced. They are expected to complement the next generation of Nova Lake CPUs, promising advancements in computing performance. The memory market is experiencing significant changes, with a surge in memory and NAND prices by over 90% in the first quarter of 2026. This trend is anticipated to continue with an additional price increase forecast for the second quarter. NVIDIA's CEO remains confident amidst the vast investments, approximately $660 billion in AI infrastructure. This development raises expectations for enhanced AI capabilities and the potential unlocking of new computing horizons. Amid ongoing hardware shortages, Intel and AMD CPU supply challenges persist, with delivery times in China extending beyond 6 months. This situation has contributed to widespread price increases across the market. In a surprising turn, major PC manufacturers are exploring the integration of Chinese memory into their products. This move is seen as a strategic response to current RAM shortages, presenting a potential new dynamic in the global supply chain. In a recent rumor, sources suggest that the upcoming Sony PlayStation 6 will boast a significant increase in memory capabilities, with 30 GB allocated for the console and 24 GB for its next-generation handheld device. This represents a remarkable leap in performance expected for release in 2026. YouTube TV subscribers are in for a treat, as Google reportedly offers discounts worth a total of $80 spread over 4 months. These discounts are not heavily advertised, urging users to check their accounts for potential savings during February of 2026. Microsoft has begun retiring old printer drivers to enhance security in Windows 11. The process started as planned in February of 2026, following an initial announcement made in September 2003 about the discontinuation of support for legacy V3 and V4 drivers. A modder has pushed boundaries by applying a 1,000-watt power BIOS from MSI's RTX 5990 Lightning Z to other graphics cards. This ambitious experiment highlights the continuing enthusiasm among overclockers to challenge hardware limits in early 2026. For Super Bowl fans, selecting the ideal display is crucial. We highlight top QLED and mini LED television models that deliver exceptional quality without straining the budget, as explored in February of 2026. Ayaneo has opened pre-orders for its ConkFit, a handheld PC gaming console featuring a 144Hz OLED display and Ryzen AI 9HX 470 processor, signaling a premium-tier offering available from February 7, 2026. In the sphere of computer hardware, the Fractal company has launched a new PC case, the Pop 2. There is discussion surrounding whether it is an improvement over its predecessor. Enthusiasts are eagerly anticipating reviews and comparisons. Last week, several users reported boot failures with Ryzen 9000 series processors on ASRock motherboards. Today, ASRock is releasing a beta BIOS update to tackle this issue, aiming to resolve the no-boot scenarios experienced by users. Sony has announced a major State of Play event dedicated to unveiling new PlayStation 5 games. The event promises significant updates and announcements for the console's enthusiastic gaming community. Overwatch has seen a massive increase in players on Steam ahead of its rebranding efforts. This surge indicates a renewed interest following updates and upcoming game changes. Insider sources have shared additional details on the next-generation Xbox plans. The gaming community is buzzing with excitement over potential hardware advancements and game releases anticipated in the future. Nioh 3 has broken records for achieving the highest concurrent player count ever recorded by its publisher on Steam. The game continues to captivate players with its compelling gameplay and challenging mechanics. In the world of technology, semiconductors continue to be the backbone of modern electronics, powering everything from personal computers to automobiles and home appliances. Tom's Hardware delves into the intricate universe of semiconductors, CPUs, GPUs, artificial intelligence, and more, providing unparalleled insights into the tech landscape. As we navigate the year 2022-6, several topics are at the forefront of the technology discussion. These include the ongoing RAM shortage, the critical role of rare earth metals, Panther Lake developments, advancements in artificial intelligence, and the evolving landscape of companies like NVIDIA and Intel. In a move concerning cybersecurity and operational efficiency, the U.S. Air Force has set new guidelines banning its personnel from using smart glasses while in uniform, and has restricted the use of earbuds during official duties, highlighting the ongoing interplay between technology and security protocols. Taiwan authorities have expressed no issues with leading semiconductor firm TSMC's decision to invest in the United States, provided that the majority of its fabs and pioneering process technologies remain based in Taiwan, ensuring continued local industry dominance and innovation. Generative artificial intelligence is at the forefront of programming advancements, playing a pivotal role in shaping NVIDIA's technological developments. This innovative branch of AI is redefining coding processes and enhancing computing capabilities in unprecedented ways. Researchers at Hiroshima University have crafted a revolutionary method for 3D printing, with one of the toughest engineering materials, opening new doors in industrial manufacturing. This breakthrough highlights the rapid advancements and transformative potential of 3D printing technology. In 2026, the landscape of PC gaming is fraught with challenges, especially for those looking to build or upgrade their systems. The year has brought unforeseen complexities in acquiring essential hardware, leading to increased costs and limited availability. As gaming enthusiasts navigate 2026, many find that while graphics cards like AMD's Radeon RX 9070 XT and NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 5090 have become more affordable, other crucial components remain out of reach. Prices for gaming PCs are not expected to normalize anytime soon. RAM prices have soared due to increased demand from AI data centers. The memory manufacturer Micron has even closed its crucial subsidiary, which was previously known for producing budget-friendly RAM. The memory shortage has resulted in significant price hikes for other components, including SSDs. The cost of a 1TB Silicon Power UD90 has more than doubled recently, making even budget parts difficult to acquire. Pre-built gaming PCs, although not yet impacted significantly, are expected to face price increases soon. Manufacturers indicated at CES that these systems will follow the trend of rising costs as they replenish their inventory with more expensive components. Analysts predict that the memory and component shortage may lead to continued difficulties into 2027 or beyond. The domino effect of hardware inflation is expected to influence a range of technology, from smartphones to PCs. That concludes our coverage today from the world of technology in 2026. From the innovation showcased at CES 2026 to the ongoing trends in computer hardware, it's clear that the future of technology is not just on the horizon. It's here and transforming our everyday lives. Whether it's breakthroughs in graphics cards and processors, or the exciting new desktops and PC parts that are shaping the industry, there's plenty for tech enthusiasts to look forward to. Be sure to stay tuned for more updates as we continue to bring the latest from this fast-paced world. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Until next time, stay curious and stay informed.